Ever wondered how an architecture workshop is conducted? I recently had the privilege of attending an extraordinary workshop at IPEX 2024. In today's video, we will delve into the realm of artificial intelligence and the power of AI in architecture. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will get insights about the world of architecture. So let's get started. Let's talk about Building Material Expo, arranged by the Institute of Architects uh, for 2024. It was arranged by the Islamabad Rawalpindi chapter of the IAP in 2024. This expo generally is for the architects, for the contractors, for the engineers, where they explore different varieties of newly introduced materials into the construction industry. Now, in this expo, a renowned architect, Muhammad Ali Khokar, the principal architect at Space Mass Architects and also arranging Archiply, arranged an AI workshop by the name of Sustained AI. Now, we as students became part of that workshop, and this workshop provided us with invaluable insights in the world of AI and its impact on the field of architectural design process. It does not only change the rendering or the other aspects of the industry, but it also changed the complete architectural design process from step one to the final step, that is display of your project. During the workshop, we had the opportunity to study various AI modules that are revolutionizing the architectural landscape. We explored cutting edge technologies such as machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. These modules are designed to assist architects in their day to day activities, saving us time and effort in side activities. Over 3 days, I had the fantastic opportunity to collaborate with a diverse group of students. We were complete strangers, hailing from 9 different institutes around the Pakistan. Our group represented various experience levels with students from freshman year to final year, which was me. I was a final year student. This diverse perspective enriched the entire experience. This workshop wasn't just about learning the architectural design process, it was about experiencing the power of artificial intelligence in the complete architectural design process. Since we had to design a pavilion, we began by brainstorming the essential features of a pavilion. From the most important to the could be aspect of a pavilion, the aspects that we can integrate or we cannot integrate totally depends upon ourselves. Now, this phase culminated in a list of 15 architectural aspects to what we call as keywords. Then it was time to leverage the power of AI. We used minimal AI to generate prompts based on these keywords found in the first step, allowing us to translate our ideas into tangible descriptions for the physical aspects of the pavilion. What the minimal AI does is that it changes our keywords into a paragraph format of a prompt. Now, these prompts were then fed into various AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, and Prom AI, and so on, which generated initial design shapes based on our descriptions. This was just the beginning. We used an iterative process, refining the prompts to the creative AI tools based on the generated shapes. This back and forth process allowed us to gradually sculpt our design until it aligned with our vision for the pavilion. What we did was we made many changes to the prompt. We made change about the color, about the style, about the materials, about the even we changed the background specification in different iteration process. So once we had a final 2D image of our desired design, we needed to translate it into a 3D model. We studied the image's physical aspect and created a 3D physical model with the necessary changes to what we changed on a physical basis. We then took several pictures of the model from various angles and then uploaded to AI like Prom AI and Kriya and other AIs as well. You can find the name in the description below, which generated stunning high quality renderings of our pavilion in just seconds. To further elevate our design, we even used AI to create a short motion clip showcasing the pavilion in different environments. This incredible feat achieved through dedicated AI tools added another layer of depth and storytelling to our project. What we did was we then uploaded those rendered images to another AI that made a motion clip from that still image, and it generated like architectural motion clip that enabled the environment to move, that enabled the surrounding objects to move in real time. And like that, in just 12 to 14 hours of collaborative work, we completed the entire design process from brainstorming to final presentation, all with the help of AI. This workshop at IPEX 2024 was a treatment to the immense potential of AI in transforming architecture. Now, it showcased how these technologies can enhance collaboration, streamline workflows, and unleash our creative potential in ways we never imagined. Now, imagine using AI in your architectural design process. Maybe it could be an academic project, an architectural practical project, or you could be having a project in your office. Integrate AI in your projects, and you will have a perfect flow of your design, perfect conceptual sketches, perfect shapes for your desired project, for your desired design. One of the key takeaways from the workshop was understanding the necessity of AI in architectural world. We learned that AI is not just a trend but a crucial tool for architects to stay competitive in today's fast-paced industry. From generating design options to optimize building performance, AI is transforming the way architects work, enabling us to create more efficient and innovative designs. To make it a one-liner, architects will not be replaced by AI, but architects using AI will replace the architects. Attending the AI in Architecture workshop at IPEX was an enlightening experience. We witnessed firsthand how AI is transforming the architectural industry, empowering architects to create innovative designs and streamline their workflow. The workshop led by Muhammad Ali Khokar provides us with valuable insights and practical knowledge that will undoubtedly shape the future of our architectural practice. Indeed, with the evolving technological advancements in the world, the architecture also needs its technological empowerment. So, by the use of AI in the architectural industry, not only students of architecture, but the architects, the practicing architects, even the professional in the industry can revolutionize their architectural design process simply by integrating AI in their design. If you are an architect or a design enthusiast, I highly recommend exploring the world of AI in architecture. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are undeniable. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for creating more captivating content.